My name is Sam Shames, co-founder and COO of Embr Labs, based in Somerville, Massachusetts. I graduated from MIT in 2014 with a degree in material science and engineering and have been working with Embr Labs ever since we started in the Mad Mech prototyping contest the summer going into my senior year. What Embr Labs does is we are a wellness company that is focused on helping people use the power of temperature to feel better. So our first product, Embr Wave, is an intelligent wristband that just by warming and cooling the area on the inside of your wrist can change the way you feel and help you be more comfortable, help you fall asleep, and also help you feel less stressed. An example that comes to mind for having to adapt to a change and what that looked like would be just throughout the prototyping process. You know, it took us a dozen different kind of evolutions of the design to arrive at this final version. And it started from things that were just based off Arduinos and had wires sticking out and were not even fully wearable that you just put your arm on, kind of just trying to get more and more fidelity, more and more high fidelity. And I think the process there was really about saying, what is the single biggest risk that we see and that we're trying to address with this design, be it the battery life. So okay, take that off the table, make something that's large, then can we make something small and attractive, and just kind of looping down from there. In terms of adapting to market forces, we originally started as a technology. We were a student project and didn't think at all about the market. And what happened to us was we just heard from all these different customers say, hey, can I use it for when my office is too cold? Can I use it for if my husband and I argue about the thermostat? Can I use it for hot flashes? Can I use it for A, B, and C? And there it was just a matter of testing. So again, we just said, we don't know, but we'll give you prototypes and find out. And over time, based on that feedback, we were able to hone in on the markets and value propositions that we really thought we could address. Starting something and founding a company it's not for everyone, but if you have the bug and you really feel like you have this idea that you don't see anyone else doing, it's incredibly worthwhile. It's one of the hardest things that our team and my co-founders and I have ever done, and yet it's immensely rewarding to see real people using your idea, and we've been fortunate to have a lot of people recognizing us and saying that our product helps them. We have, I think at this point, customers in about 100 countries, and that's not something we could have imagined 5 years ago when we were in that lab. But that's a really special thing to get to take moments to think back in the midst of all the day-to-day chaos that tens of thousands of people around the world are using what we made to feel better. And I think ultimately that's the reason why you should start something. Doing it to try to get rich is not, I think, an effective strategy. It's really just got to be about obsession for an idea and helping people.